Welcome to Gallup Gardens. It is our mission to grow our own food for our little family. Not just our own food, but wholesome and great tasting produce. Eggs that come from our own chickens, raised with love. And eventually heritage breed rabbits from the same care and stewardship. All of this we do either through recycling or repurposing local materials, or through supporting local businesses. Our raised beds are made from repurposed culverts. We grow our own vegetables up through a vertical gardening system so that they are guided upwards through salvaged cattle panels. It saves space, it saves waste, and it saves money. Not only that, but the experience of gathering, building, and working together creates little moments with family that can never be replaced or satiated with a screen. Our little channel is mostly about urban homesteading on a budget to show that with a little time, money, love, and a whole lot of sweat, anyone can grow their own food, live a life with less quantity, less materialistic junk that still leaves you feeling empty, and more quality, more satisfaction, food that is fulfilling, experiences that are as savory as the hard-earned meals. Though our channel is mostly about urban homesteading, we do digress on occasion and have little local adventures. Whether we are exploring a local legend, excavating little appreciated treasures, or creating something beautiful and full of life, we are always on the move. In this day and age, we always introduce ourselves by what we do for an occupation, not who we really are. And answering that question in a real way takes some time and reflection. So who are we? We are a family. We explore God's beauty, and we create our own beauty. Whether through gardening, aquascaping, crafting, or arranging flowers, our family is constantly exploring, growing, and creating. Please consider subscribing, and hopefully get a little inspiration while planning your own adventures. The whole world is waiting right out your front door.